Here at Media Chimps, we know how important it is that you have control over your website, which is why we give you a client login to our CMS, meaning that you can preview your website and leave any comments and ask for changes. When we first set up your client account, you will receive an email like this, and all you want to do is click on the login URL at the top there. It will take you to this page where you then get to choose your password, and it will have the email that your account is registered under at the top. Once you've created your password, you'll be faced with this. So firstly, a neat little feature is that you can preview your website. When you preview the website, it shows you it on a bunch of different devices, so you can make sure that it's responsive. Of course, this view is shown on all of them, but you can click on the individuals and fully preview it like this. If you're previewing the website and you see anything that you want to change, or just anything that you're not exactly happy with, you are completely able to let us know, and the easiest way to do this is by leaving a comment. So if you go back to the dashboard, instead of clicking preview, this time you're going to click on edit. Once you're here, all you want to do is locate whatever you want to leave a comment on. So if I was unhappy with this section here, you could click on comments, and there is also a comment log. In the comment log, you can go and view any previous comments that you've left, or perhaps our web development team have left, or responses. But you want to add a comment. So once you've clicked on that, you just click anywhere on the screen. So as I said, an issue with this section, you would click there and type a comment. Not just can you leave a comment, but you can also attach files and add an image. This makes it easier to show any visual aspects that you want changed or anything that you desire. Once you've done this, all you need to do is click submit. Now that is visible, so our web dev team will be able to see that and can get back to you and make any of the changes that you ask for. As a client, you will always have the ability to comment, and this is a very quick way for us to see any changes you want made rather than having to go through a ticket or a phone call or anything like that. For some clients, we can also allow that you actually edit the content on the site. If you've been a client for a while, you might be familiar with our CMS or have comfortability with it in general, and we know that you're able to go in and make changes. So to change text, all you need to do is double click. If you're writing your own copy or have hired a copywriter, we can give you this kind of access so that you can change the content on your site. If the changes that you want aren't just a little bit of text and things like that, imagery, any sort of animation, then that's when we recommend you leave a comment so that we can have a look or you can get in contact. It's super simple and it gives you a lot of control over what's happening with your site, and it's a very easy form of communication between the web devs and you.